Welcome to your 14th tutorial on beginning HTML. In this video we will be going over the checkbox. The checkbox is similar to the radio button we discussed in the last video. The only difference is that you can select multiple boxes at the same time. In the last video with the radio button, we could only select one option. That's the big difference between checkboxes and radio buttons. We're using the input element tag again and setting the type to checkbox. We're not going to worry about the name attribute because that has to do with server-side code in this case. We don't have to close out the input element tag, so we can put the label right after the angle bracket. The 5 options we're going to allow the user to select are football, basketball, baseball, soccer, and hockey. Let's go ahead and refresh this. You can see we've got our 5 options here, and we can select whatever we want. This is very different from the radio button. Now, what if you want to force one of these options to always be selected? We can use the checked attribute. Let's say we want football to always be selected. We type in checked, which is the attribute, equals, and then checked again. Let's go ahead and save and refresh this. Now you see football is automatically selected. The user can deselect this if they want, but the first time the page loads, it will be automatically selected. Okay, that's going to do it for this video. See you guys in the next video.